So, hello everyone. Today marks 28 days since I decide to embark on path of change. Changes that, in my opinion, are most challenging because they involve changing on self. As of today, I want to say that trend of abstaining from sugar and watching porn, to my surprise, remains stable. What amazes me even more is that it has been relatively easy for me. Only during first 10 days did I experience intrusive thought about porn. But then that noise in my head gradually subsided to almost imperceptible imperceptible levels. However, I would claim that I overcome addiction. Of course not, and maybe any heroin addicts could confirm this, since this addiction can easily be equated to heroin addiction, I think. In short, fight is still ahead, but I feel much more confident about facing it today than I did a month ago. And today I'm making my report not at 8 p.m. as usual, but at 4 p.m., which is also good. So, we move forward in chosen direction, hoping for a better future. Wishing everyone a great day and a good mood, and everything always work out for me in the best way possible, because my universe take care of me and everything for me and my family is going as it should. Thank you everyone, and see you tomorrow.